Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC stock. Before I start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below. Subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Join the family, guys. Let's go on our investor journey together. Today we're going to be doing a video about AMC stock, and today's video is going to be an AMC stock price prediction, where I think AMC stock is going to be headed over the next week, over the next couple of weeks as well. I just want everybody to know that everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It is just for educational purposes. So with that being said, let's get started with the video. So we've definitely seen today AMC stock up 17.85%, which is pretty good. Looking at the 1 week chart, it is up 1.75%. And looking at the 1 month chart, we see that it is up 337%. With a high here of 369%. Looking at the 3 month chart, we can see this huge kind of run up. Stock was trading around $9-10 for a while, and then we see this huge spike up on the 2nd of June. And looking at the 1 year chart, it is up 973%. People who bought this stock about a year ago are probably definitely thanking themselves a lot for picking up AMC stock when it was super cheap. So let's talk about AMC and where I think AMC is actually going. So we know that right now, AMC stock currently sitting at $56.90. Right now, we have to want people to understand that generally speaking, AMC, this is not price action from an actual squeeze in itself. I just want people to know this, that AMC stock has not actually gone through a squeeze just yet. Right now, what we're seeing is just a bunch of retail people buying up the stock. So a lot of people are asking, how come AMC stock has not squeezed yet? Well, I've said this in a lot of my videos, but I do like to reiterate the point that the reason why AMC stock has not squeezed is because a lot of these hedge funds do not want to lose to the retail traders, to the Reddit traders as well. They're definitely going to make it a little bit more difficult. If you guys remember a couple months back in January when the whole GameStop thing was kind of happening, we saw GameStop basically go from $4 all the way up to $500. And, the hedge funds, they lost billions and billions of dollars. It's going to be the same with AMC. And we can already tell that these hedge funds are already losing large amounts of money. But here's the thing. Instead of actually covering their short positions, all they're doing is basically just selling naked shorts. And they're basically just, they were playing stubborn. They don't want to cover their positions. They don't want to lose to the Reddit traders like they did the first time. So they're making it a little bit more difficult. In previous videos, I've also said as well that I thought AMC stock was going to squeeze around $20 to $25, but here it is sitting at the $57 range. And we also saw that AMC got as high as $72. And the stock still did not go through a short squeeze, which is crazy to say the least. It goes to show that these hedge funds definitely don't want to lose. But eventually, at some point, with AMC stock, I do think that eventually these people do have to cover their short positions. It is inevitable, and it's something that's kind of been boiling for a very long time. Is there a way to kind of tell when they're going to cover their positions? No, there isn't. But, that's kind of where the patience game kind of plays along to. I know there's a lot of people who have been diamond handing. And like I said, going back to the 1 year chart, we see here there was months on end where, people were losing hope in AMC. AMC stock wasn't going anywhere. No one was buying it. And we even got reports that, okay, these hedge funds are continuing to grow their short positions in AMC stock. They're continuing to double down on it. They think AMC is going to ascend. They're going to try to drive AMC to ascend. They think the company is going to go bankrupt. And people generally lost hope because of all the sideways trading. AMC wasn't really going anywhere. But now that AMC has rallied a lot, and we definitely see that it's definitely been tricky over the last couple of, weeks and months. But the volatility is back. The volume is back. AMC's in the news. And it's, I want people to understand that this is not the last of AMC stock. So this kind of leads to the main point of the video. Where do I think AMC stock is actually going to be physically headed over the next week and over the next couple of weeks as well? Well, one, I could see AMC stock probably trading around this range, 57. I do think we could hit a high of $70. Kind of depends on the overall market condition, market stability. Right? It's always very difficult to kind of just time the market in a way where you don't really know what's going to actually happen. With AMC stock, we definitely see, this huge price action, that people are buying up the stock, that people are trying to ride up the wave, that people are definitely trying to get a squeeze out of the overall stock in itself. So this is naturally going to drive the stock price higher. And we also do see that AMC is very volatile as a stock. A lot of people don't understand that AMC stock can jump, 18, 20, 50, 40% in a single day without the stock actually having to squeeze. So for me, I do think that AMC stock could hit $70, $75 by the end of this week. Obviously, like I said, everything I say in my videos is not financial advice. It is just my personal opinion, but that's kind of my overall price prediction. So where I think AMC stock will actually head for the week, if the week continues to be green, generally speaking, good market conditions do help stocks like AMC. If everything is green, generally speaking, AMC stock does pretty well. And if I'm giving an overall price prediction on where I think AMC is headed, you get a wide range of what people say, where AMC stock is actually going going to be headed over the next couple of weeks, or when the stock does squeeze. You know, you have price predictions going from 100 all the way to $100,000. And I do want people to understand that, yes, $100,000 is possible. Do I think it is likely? No, I don't think it's likely that AMC stock will hit $100,000. That's just my personal opinion. But what we do get is, you know, statistically speaking, yes, it is possible for AMC to hit 100,000. My overall price prediction, I do think that AMC does have a huge potential of hitting $500, $1,000 easily. I don't think it should be a problem, especially seeing, you know, how much short this stock actually has and how these people continue to double down on their short positions and stuff like that. You can definitely see that, okay, there's going to be a huge price jump when we can actually get AMC stock to go through the squeeze in itself. But for a lot of people who are asking me, you know, do you think AMC can actually hit $100,000? It is possible for AMC stock to hit $100,000. I just don't think it's personally likely. I do think 500, kind of what we saw with GameStop 1,000, maybe even 1,500, you know, is a lot more likely than AMC stock actually hitting $100,000 in itself. But we do see that AMC stock does offer a lot of longer term value, high term value as far as this. And a lot of people have been waiting a very long time for this squeeze to actually happen. But that's my overall price prediction for the stock. That's where I think AMC stock is actually going to be physically headed. But with that being said, guys, that's all I really have to say about the video. You guys let me know down in the comment section below, guys, what you think of AMC stock. Do you guys think AMC stock can hit $100,000? If you guys think AMC can hit $100,000, do you think it is a very likely chance that it can do so? If you guys own AMC stock, how many shares do you guys own and what's your average? I'm always very curious to know. With that being said, guys, thank you. Have a great day.